Hello guys, what is up? And today I'll be showing you some ways how to do a YouTube intro. I've already done one, so I'll just show you. Right, so you can pick anyone from here, or you can click right here, more creations. But you can have a look at as many as you want. You can press on one and look at it. So I'll choose this one. Should load up. Yep, it loads up. Then and should come up. I will show you a different one. You can add any music you want, so it shouldn't be a problem. Wait for it to load up. I'm just going to get on the covers. Oh. Oh my. Right, okay, it's here. This is it. It doesn't look so bad after you watch it all. Let's see it. Yeah, guys. Don't really like that one. This one will be good. Text, right here. And on this one, I will actually make it for my channel. I'll show you how to do it. Loading up. This is how it'll look, guys. Then you just click on this eye here. It should come red. And you click on the play button, and then it plays. This is how it looks. Yeah, so guys, that's how it looks. Let's look for a different one. Let's go with... We'll have this one. Look at this one. Sorry guys about this. I'm just trying to look for a good one so it'll look nice for a good example. That one will be a good one as well. I might choose that. If this one isn't that good. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna have to move you for a minute. There we go. Come on, Panzoid. Yay, it's done. Doesn't matter if it's not loading up. Just wait for it to load up. It did say the web page is not. Right, yeah, it's on, guys. Right, press this. Press play button. Play. And then you can add anything to it. See that? And then if you play it there, it goes like that. Right, so now I'll show you how to edit it. I won't be doing this because I actually am gonna create my own one. Right, so you see, this is a very hard edit. So look at, you can take it all apart. You can take parts off it that you don't want anymore, maybe like that, and then stuff like that. So then it doesn't look that good, and it just looks like a normal. But then, you know what, guys? Let's choose. I'll choose this one for you, just a flat one, so then I can show you. Just needs to respond. Wow. So you need to wait for the screen to go fully black or green like that. There you go. So that's it. And then I want to go on to the block right here, where I'm putting there. So every single one, 0 zone. It's very hard to do this. You have to time it right. What's happening now? I'll just go back. Some things are a bit annoying on Panzer. Have I got anything? Sorry guys, that would have been good, but for you, as I said, flat ones are normally the best, to be honest. My sister's just down there. Here we go. So it'll say name, and you click on that. Make sure it goes to full screen. Yeah. There. Right. So then you want to go and put 0. That. And you want to put 0. Wait. 0 again. Just like that. And what you want to do is you go down. So now you've done that, play it. See? It's like that. Well, you don't have to put 0, you can just put your whole name, just like this. 0. Zone. just like that. Might want to put it right here. Zone. Boom. Just like that. That right? Yeah, that's right. So then you want to go back. Then you want to press correct. Take it back a bit. Alright, so it starts from the beginning now. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Actually, wait, no, it's not. You can put music on it right here. Audio select. Put any audio file in there, and then you're gonna good quality. Good quality. You want to put it on good quality, and that's it. Then you just want to press start video render, and then start recording for you. Right, for watching. I hope you have a good day, and hope this works for you, and see you later.